Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with super cute idea of making these mini tag greeting cards. So I will share two techniques of making these mini tags along with the weaved background, and you can also convert this into small envelope or money wrap, and this is nicely finished from both the sides. And I have created here two different weaved techniques, one in checks form and one in diagonal line forms, along with different quilling flowers. Isn't it looking very attractive and vibrant? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with my first, that is yellow envelope, and first I'm making the weaved base. For this I'm taking yellow color strip and divided into 4 parts. So we need yellow and white strips. Now I'm taking one yellow color cardstock square, which is 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters. Just add glue on the right edge of the square and start attaching the yellow strips one by one like this. It is nicely attached. Now on the other side I am folding it like this so that we can work easily with the weaving technique. Now from back side again I am attaching another row of white strip like this, so just completing it quickly, and this is also done. Then here I am just folding the white strip like this, on top of this adding 3 yellow strips, then alternatively adding 3 yellow strip behind the white strip, and we have to just repeat the pattern, 3 yellow, then 3 white, then 3 yellow, and so on. Now on back side I am just securing the remaining strip by using glue like this. So first row is done. Now for second row I am passing the white strip under one yellow, then alternatively passing under third yellow, then passing under fifth yellow, and just doing it alternatively till the end. Again securing the strip from back side using glue. So second row is also done. Now for the third row I am repeating the first row pattern, that is 3 yellow on top, then 3 white, again 3 yellow, and so on. Now starting with the fourth row, and this time we are adding 3 white first, then underneath 3 yellow, then 3 white, and just complete this. Then for the fifth row I am putting white on top of the yellow, then on the next underneath the yellow, then again top of yellow, that is white yellow alternatively, just opposite to the previous one. So fifth row is also done. And for the sixth row again I am repeating the pattern of the fourth row, that is 3 white, 3 yellow, 3 white, and so on. So we have done 6 rows and now I am repeating the same pattern till the end. So I am going to add 9 more rows to complete the pattern. So all our 15 rows are done. Now from back side I am securing all these remaining yellow strips. And the checkers pattern is completely ready. The color combination is looking very nice, isn't it? Now here I am taking one yellow color cardstock base which is 20 by 8.5 centimeters. I have just folded this into half, and from this side I have creased at 8.5 centimeters. So after folding the crease, it should look like this, like in zigzag shape. So I am connecting these folded part together by using glue, and it will be our tag base. Inside this I am adding one white color cardstock square which is little smaller in size, and on the front I am adding gold mirror cardstock square. Then on top of this I am adding my weaved pattern. And after that, the top portion I am decorating with the beautiful die cutout which is made using this intricate die, and for this I have used white and yellow cardstock. So just chopping the corners little bit and attaching the die cutout on the top. In few minutes I will also share one more technique of decorating the top if you don't have dies. Now from back side also I am decorating with same die cutout so that it will look nicely finished from both the sides. Burnish it nicely, just chopping the excess parts from both the sides to make it even. And this is done. Very pretty. Now I am sharing the technique. If you don't have dies, just use same size newspaper piece, folded this into half, create any random pattern like this, cut both the layers together so that you have the nice intricate design, and then we have to just trace it on our cardstock like this. So you can create such beautiful patterns. You just need to decorate the top using any pattern paper and you are ready to go. Then starting with decoration of quilling flowers. So for my first flower petal here I am taking dark pink color 3mm strip, just making 3 loops in increasing order, and both sides I am making 2 loops in little decreasing order. Wrapping this whole petal using same strip, cutting excess strip and secure the end using glue, and the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together and adding light pink color tight coil in the center, which is made using 1.5 strip. So the flower is ready. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking half strip of light purple color and making one tight teardrop shape. Just joining 5 petals together to make the flower, and in the center I am adding peach color tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip of peach color in 3mm. With the same method I have prepared one more flower. And also I have prepared these leaves, which are made using the same method like we made the flower petal in 4 quantity. Now taking back my card base and just decorating with my handmade flowers. So this is done. Then I am just making the hole using my hole punch machine on the top so that we can pass thread through this to convert this into tag. Then passing yellow color thread through this. And I have decorated the ends of the thread using the heart-shaped die cutout in gold mirror cardstock. And then inside the card I am writing this sentiment: may fortune and success be always with you. And for this I have used my brush pen. So first card mini gift tag is ready. Now I'm proceeding for the second one. For this I'm taking 8 by 8 cm white color cardstock and also using white and pink color 5mm strips, and just like we did before I am decorating both the edges using these strips. So quickly doing it, and I have attached both the strips on both the sides. So first I am taking down 2 pink strips, on top of this adding white strip, then again taking down 2 strip, then underneath taking down 2 strip, so that we have 2 white, 2 pink, 2 white, 2 pink, and just repeat it till the end. Securing it on back side using glue. For the next row I am passing on top of pink, underneath 2 pink, top of 2 pink, underneath 2 pink, and so on. Then for the third row I am passing underneath 2 pink, on top of 2 pink, underneath 2 pink, and so on. For the next row I am passing underneath 1 pink, top of 2 pink, underneath 2 pink, and so on. Then for the next row I am just repeating the same process like we have started from first row and just completing it. So after doing all the lines, our beautiful zigzag diagonal lines are ready, and now I am sticking it on silver mirror cardstock square. And sticking it on my blue card base. So the blue cardstock is having 20 by 9 cm measurement. I have just folded this into half just like we did before, and from this side I have creased at 9 centimeters like this. So again I am sticking both the parts together from top using glue and decorating the top using the same die cut design. And before that I am just decorating the inner part also using light blue cardstock. And now it's time to decorate the top. And the base is ready. Now I'm starting with making the flowers. So here I am making the pansy flower. For this I am taking 2 strips of light blue color in 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more in light blue and one in dark blue, joining all 3 petals together. and on top of this I'm adding 2 small tight teardrop domes which are made using half strip of dark blue color. Doing little bit of shading on both the petals using black marker, and in the center I am adding yellow color tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm. And the super gorgeous pansy flower is ready. Similarly we need total 3 flowers. Now taking back my card, and I am just sticking all 3 flowers diagonally like this and randomly adding some leaf die cutouts here and there. I am not decorating the card too much because we don't want to hide our weaved pattern. So just little bit of decoration to enhance the beauty. And then inside the card I am adding simple message, best wishes, using same brush pen. Then at the end I am passing pink color thread through this to convert this into tag. And inside the card you can also add small size pocket to convert it into money envelope instead of card. So both the mini tags are ready and the color combination is very vibrant, so you can just play with your strips and create different weaved backgrounds to make such cute cards. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.